Toyota's brought me across Everglades to check out the new special edition GR86 Trueno. Let's get into it. To commemorate 40 years of rear-wheel drive excellence, we have the GR86 in Trueno, guys. This is the special edition here for 2024. It is based on the premium grade, and you can have it with the 6-speed auto or the 6-speed manual. Now we see in the halo color, this is also available in the track bred color as well. The biggest upgrade for this year though is that this Trueno brings in a performance upgraded package, which gives us Sachs dampers and Brembo brakes for the first time that we see on the GR86. It looks incredible. And guess what? You can get this package installed on your 2023 or 2022 GR86 at the dealership as well as an added option. So check this out. Look at these fat Brembo brakes here in the front. Gotta love the red and the black contrast. And look at these wheels. They look awfully similar to these forged aluminum wheels here behind me, but these aren't forged. They're not quite as lightweight and expensive. But what do you guys think of the Takumi inspired white and black theme going on? You got the double stripes on the door, the black door handles, the black mirror. You got the black strip in the middle that lines up perfectly with the lines of the hood. It's a nice little black decal. It would have been cool maybe if we blacked out the roof as well, but we can't have everything. And you also have the Trueno edition here on the front bumper, very exclusive grade. It has almost like a unique off-white to it, like it would glow in the dark. It looks pretty cool. And then of course you have the GR badge up in the front as well. Let's go to the side. Let's see if there's anything else I can see here that is unique. The duckbill spoiler here, this glossy black looks awesome. Let me know, would you prefer the duckbill spoiler to be more of a matte like the stripes on this vehicle? I don't know. I think it looks good either way, but I'll see you down below if you prefer to have a matte rear spoiler. But looking at it from the back, glossy black at the top of the spoiler. The strip that goes across the trunk is also glossy black, but down the bottom near the dual exhaust is a matte finish. Now we have the additional Trueno badge back here, the same one we saw on the front lip, and also the GR86 badge looking awesome. Lifting up the trunk, not a lot of space in here. There's nothing unique here about this special edition when it comes to the trunk. No spare tire here just to fix a flat kit. Now the quality of this door is completely on a different level compared to the interior of the GR. These materials, the suede here at the top, the red accent here in the middle with the red stitching, everything feels so much higher quality than even on the more expensive GR Corolla. It doesn't perform like a GR Corolla, but in terms of materials, guys, this is actually better on the inside, a better interior in my opinion. It just doesn't have as you know, those extra doors for passengers in the back. But the red and black with the suede with the little dimples on top of the suede as well feels excellent with the bolstering. It feels just as good as the GR Corolla's manual handbrake as well. We have the red stitching around the steering wheel and the GR logo at the bottom. Very high quality, feels just as good. Actually, you know, I don't know if this is leather. It almost feels like the Lexus RZ steering wheel, the fully electric vehicle, which is a synthetic leather, but fool me, it feels great. On the shifter, we have the Trueno badge. It almost looks like an aluminum piece, and it feels very similar to the shifter we saw on the GR Corolla. It actually might be the same one, just a little bit different style because we have that little silver gunmetal piece here in the middle as well. There's your GR start stop button. Let's go ahead and fire up the accessories real quick. A little startup screen with the wheels spinning for the GR. Oh man, I just want to drive these cars so bad instead of just sitting in here looking pretty in a hangar. I love the suede here on the gauge cluster as well, and soft touch dash. Forget the quality of this vehicle. Haven't driven one in quite a while. It's great to have manual fan control because the fan was blasting at me. Touchscreen here is quite excellent with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Love how Subaru and Toyota continue to have the tuning knob and the volume knob here, and it comes out of the dash quite noticeably here, a couple inches. So in terms of functionality, it's real close to driver, easy to get to. Now, unlike the GR Corolla, we don't have a whole lot of driving modes, but we do have a track mode here. Soft touch armrest that opens up, And inside you have a couple USB-A's as well as an aux port, long live the aux, and a couple cup holders here for your drinks. Gotta love the aluminum pedals down there at the bottom. Even the dead pedal is aluminum. And it would have been nice if this was a little bit softer touch here, because when you're shifting, you know, your elbow's resting on this hard touch a lot of the time instead of the soft armrest. It's just a little bit too far back. So, I mean, it wouldn't be hard if you own this vehicle to put a nice soft pad here. Heated seats, of course, on this premium grade. And checking out the back seat, we have that red stitching back there as well as that suede. Doesn't look very comfortable. Actually might be okay for a child seat, a forward-facing child seat, but I wouldn't want to be an adult back there. Underneath the hood is the 2.4 liter boxer, around 228 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque or so. Made it to the 6-speed manual here, but it is, like I said, available in the 6-speed automatic. This car will be available later this year, and let me know what you think about the Trueno. It looks super cool with the white and black accents. Does it remind you of Takumi a little bit? I'll see you guys down below. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you in the comments of this vehicle's video and also the Supras.